Hi everyone and welcome to Tea Time Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some refreshing and delicious iced tea recipes. Now that it's getting warmer, I have definitely been making these iced teas on repeat. And if you enjoyed today's recipes and you want some more, I made a video just like this one last year with some different recipes on it. So I'll be sure to leave a card somewhere on the screen so that you can go check that video out. And I also want to say thank you to Tea Bloom for partnering with me on this video. Tea Bloom is the largest retailer of blooming flower teas, and they use the finest and highest grade teas from all around the world. So if you like the recipes that I'm going to be sharing today, you can go ahead and check out the website that I will leave in the description box, and you can check out their wide variety of teas. They have black teas, green teas, herbal teas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first iced tea is a delicious iced chai. This tea, like all the others, will involve boiling your filtered water first. Here, I'm making one serving, which is about 8 ounces of water. Once the water has reached the boil, let it rest and add your sweetener of choice. I'm using liquid stevia. To make this delicious tea, I'm using the Ruby Spice Chai blend from Tea Bloom. It's a red rooibos tea with amazing chai spices. I'm making it strong because I'll be adding ice and milk, so I want to make sure the chai taste comes through. And that's why I added 4 teaspoons of the blend. But typically 1 to 2 is okay for hot tea. Once that's done, we are going to pour our hot water over the tea bag and allow it to cool down for a few minutes. We are going to then add ice and the milk of your choice. I'm using this sweet creamy creamer from Chobani because it blends really well with the warm spices of the chai to provide a refreshing yet warming drink. Give everything a stir and enjoy. Trust me, you will love it. Our next iced tea is a fizzy blueberry lavender tea. This one is tart and a bit flowery. It's the perfect drink on a hot day. To make this tea, I'm using this blueberry lavender iced tea bag from Tea Republic. For this particular tea, I'm making a larger serving because each tea bag makes about 16 ounces of tea, so be sure to boil 16 ounces of water for this one. And just like before, add your sweetener of choice and place 1 tea bag into your glass. Since I'm making 2 cups, I'll be adding a bit more sweetener this time. And then just add the water and allow it to steep and cool down. Once the tea has cooled down, we're going to squeeze a bit of lemon juice. This will add some tartness, and it will also help to change the color from a dark purple to a more pinkish purple. Then we will fill the glass with ice. Now remember that I split my servings into 2, so this is 1 cup of brewed tea. Afterwards, you can pour any type of fizzy seltzer water that you would like. I'm using a lime flavored seltzer because it adds a bit more of that lime/lemonade taste to it. This is such a fun drink to make and it tastes really good. Give it a try, you won't regret it. This last drink is a delicious lemon mint chamomile mojito mocktail. It's a mouthful to say, but it's really good. To make this delicious mocktail, I am using this lemon mint chamomile tea from Tea Bloom. This tea tastes awesome, both hot and cold. We're going to follow the same process as before and add your sweetener of choice. Since I'm making an iced tea, I'll be using 3 teaspoons instead of the recommended 1 to 2 teaspoons. Then add your hot water and allow it to steep for a few minutes and cool down. To finish off this drink, I'm going to use a few spearmint leaves and muddle them with my sweetener and some lime juice. I'm using a spoon to muddle everything, but feel free to use a cocktail muddler if you'd like. Just keep in mind not to muddle the leaves too much because that can bring out the bitterness of the leaves, and we definitely don't want that. Also, spearmint leaves are ideal over peppermint leaves because peppermint leaves are very strong and may overpower the other flavors. Once you're done muddling, add your tea to the glass and give it a good mix. I happen to have lids for these glasses, so I'm shaking it all together. Then you want to add lots of ice and the seltzer water of your choice. I'm using this mint and lime seltzer to bring out more of those flavors. I think this mocktail would be great for a baby shower or to serve to your guests who don't drink any alcohol. These recipes are so good that it was honestly hard for me to pick a favorite. Let me know in the comments below which one you would like to try. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And also be sure to use my link in the description box below, as well as a special discount code for you guys, Tea Time Diaries 10. Use that to receive 10% off your order. And I'll be sure to leave that code linked in the description box below as well. Until next time, have a terrific day. Bye.